Hello everybody, welcome to the XRP Pleasure channel. Here we take pleasure in small things. Of course, when it comes to crypto, it's not a small thing. When you get in early enough, it looks like a small thing, but as you go along and as you start to realize these cryptocurrencies are appreciating in value, it looks gigantic. I got in to the crypto world back in 2017, 18, something like that. But back then, there was so much hype and, especially with the XRP, the price point I got in first time was around 91 cents. Back then, that was the cheapest and the topmost cryptocurrencies that was available. So I got in even with those high prices, but it was not too late before I realized I paid a big price for XRP back then. But never mind, I didn't buy a whole lot, so it was still okay. At least I got introduced to the cryptocurrency, and I kept my eye on the prices, and the prices eventually came down, and especially the XRP and the more closely related other cryptocurrency, which is Stellar. They came down to such low prices like 17 cents and 8 cents for the XLM. I was so happy. I filled up my bags, and now at the time I was buying those currencies at that prices. It all looked like a little bit weird. Hey, I'm spending so much money, but are these assets gonna appreciate? They did now, and it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to watch XRP appreciate in value. And also, I'm still a little bit skeptical about XLM, but seems like it will be the one world currency. As we all know, XRP main focus is with the banking industry, big shots, not really the retail investor. They keep saying that in so many occasions. So given all that, I think XLM got the chance. I think it's gonna be the one world currency. It's gonna dramatically change how the payments are made across the world. Hey, we are talking about going to the Mars. So there got to be something serious, right? Like, people can't be waiting for payments to be processed and settled for days and days. So I think this is all coming together. I think in 1938, they already declared, especially looking at the symbol here. If you search one world currency, Phoenix, this is the sign you see when you search in the Google. I think they declared it. And they even said back then, welcome the one world currency in 2018. And that is when we saw prices going crazy, right? Like, they even said in the magazine, welcome the one world currency. I think it's all up on our faces already. The crypto is looming on us. What do you guys think? I'm especially loving the XLM. The other best part is, buy these assets while they're still at available prices. There is a lot going on with cryptocurrency. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, but just for myself, what I would want to do buy as much as possible and earn interest. At certain point, once you filled up your bags, you don't even have to um, trade the asset you bought, especially XLM and XRP. You just put them on the exchanges like Nexo. I'm not advertising for Nexo, but I'm just giving an example, and it's again not a financial advice, but you can throw it something like on the Nexo, and you can earn interest. Currently they are giving 5%. Easily you can get 5% interest annually if you like if you have like up to 100,000 stellars, then you can make easily 5 grand a year. And if the prices are appreciating, that's a easy money to make, right? So don't underestimate the power of crypto. This is just a heads up. This is just beginning, but it's looking promising. What do you guys all think? I'm so excited for all the crypto developments that's happening right now. So that's all I have to say for now. I'll catch you all in my next video. Like and subscribe. Again, this channel is about pleasure in life, and Stellar and XRP are just 2 sources of pleasure. So let's keep this going. Like and subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.